Hello everyone. Welcome back to the lecture series of Python programming. In this session, I am going to discuss how to install IDLE, how to start your first program with IDLE. Let me share the screen with everybody. So moving on to the discussion. As you can observe, the main agenda of this presentation is installation step for IDLE with a simplified steps. First and the foremost, select your browser, go for search engine, open the browser and search engine. Later, what you're supposed to do is you have supposed to type python.org. Okay, you need to type over here. Later, proceed. Okay, enter key. As soon as you do the enter key, then you will be getting the particular web page that is getting open, Python. Here, what you are supposed to do is please click on downloads. Later, move on to all releases. Correct? In the right side, you can see the latest version of Python, which is available here. That is Python 3.11.5. In the next year, it will be updated. Hope you are getting my point. Let's go further. Later, what you are supposed to do is kindly click on download Python 3.11.5. Okay, you can directly download it. Once you click on this download option, in my computer, as you can observe, the file is already getting downloaded. The size of the file is around 24.7 MB. So like this, you will be getting, correct? Please verify. You can open this video and parallel you can go for download. As soon as you click on that particular already downloaded file, you need to double click on the downloaded file. Where is the downloaded file? Yes, this is the one. So kindly double click this. Okay, please follow accordingly. Once you do the double clicking, you can see Python 3.11.5 60-bit. So it is applicable for 64-bit. Also 32-bit is also available. So please click on this that particular file and you are able to see this particular window. Here what you can do is go for customized installation. Where is the customized installation? Yes, this is actually the customized installation. Please click on customize installation. Okay, so proceed further. Click on this. So now what will happen? Yeah. So another window will be appeared. You can see another window. Here make sure that these two icons should be unticked. Remaining should be ticked, like install Python 3.11 for all the users, associate file with Python, create shortcuts for installed application, add Python to environment variables. All the things should be ticked, but except these 2 points. Okay, this should be unticked. Kindly verify it. So another point you have to mention is customized installation location. If you want, you can go for customized location. That is up to you. I'm not disturbing that. Let's directly move on to installation. So I have marked it directly here. Please proceed with the installation. So once you click on the installation, you can see that there is a progress bar. Okay, it's the progress you will be getting. I think you have to wait for a while. Okay, so you need to wait. Once you are completed, there is a pop-up message. I have received a pop-up message when I was doing the installation, that is setup was successful. Okay, it is already completed. Afterwards, you can go for close button. Fine, do accordingly. Later, you can find out the location where it is available. You can identify the location. So Python 3.11. So identify the location. So if you select that, if you select this particular segment, I'm going to select it. If I select it, okay, then what will happen, See, like this you will be getting. This is the exact location of that particular folder. So actually location of that particular folder is in my C drive. Hope it is very clear to everybody. Yeah. Afterwards, what you can do is, I need to test whether the installation of IDLE is successful or not. Okay, what I have to do? So go to your the main menu. So like search on command prompt. Okay, you have to go to main menu and search on the command prompt. Why we are doing like this? Because I need to verify whether I have installed Python IDLE successfully or not. Whether which version I am going to use. For that purpose, I need to go to command prompt. Fine. So later on, as soon as I click on the command prompt, I'll be getting the command prompt window in this fashion. So there is a like a black background you can observe. Afterwards, what you can do is you need to type one command. What you will type here? Yes. So after this, you need to mention like Python, type Python, provide a space, double hyphen, version. You type accordingly. You can type accordingly. Then press enter key. Once I press the enter key, I'll be getting 3.1.5. This is exactly the version which I installed. This is updated version. Okay, next year it is going to change. There is no doubt. They'll be updating year by year. Okay, right now this is the updated version as on 2023. So moving further, what I want to do is next is to check the pip version. So how to check the pip version? Type pip space, then double hyphen, type version, type accordingly. So kindly type accordingly, press enter key. Then you will be getting the pip version. It is very clear that pip version is also available. So your installation is 100% successful. How to add Python shell? To add the Python shell, what you are supposed to do is you have to type a command called py. Okay, go to the command prompt. So where is the command prompt? Yes, this is your command prompt. So please type py. If you type py and enter, then you will be getting the shell. Okay, Python shell details you will be getting, or like copyright credits, all the things, all we will be getting. Fine. Another one is actually how to type the program in the if you want to type a program in the command window, sorry, in the particular command prompt, what you can do is just type like a print welcome to Python programming. You are supposed to use a double apostrophe. Okay, then press enter. Then your output will be displayed over there. So where is the input? This is my input. So I'll be marking with a different color. So yeah, this is my input. Look at this. This is my input. Later, what I am going to do? I'll be typing the enter key. I have to press the enter key. Where is my output? Yes, this is my output. Welcome to Python programming. This is my output. So I just tested. It is successful. Okay. Now close the command prompt. Later, what you are supposed to do is go to your main menu. Please search for IDLE. Search for IDLE. You can directly go there and search. Search option is available. Now check it out. Every computer is available. Every system is available. So here also version also very clearly visible, and 64-bit. Typically they have mentioned. If it is 32, they will mention 32. Otherwise 64-bit. Hope it is clear. Already installed. It's available there. Yeah. Now what you can do is please double click on that particular IDLE. If I click on the IDLE, I'll be getting like IDLE shell 3.1.5 where I can do the programming. Correct? Yeah. So you can see the command prompt also here. I can do the programming here. This is the area where I want to develop the program. Hope it is correct to everybody. Clear to everybody. Yeah. So now I'm going to type a sample program. Okay, only just for the I need to verify that it's working or not. Check the command prompt. Later, please type print welcome to the Python programming class. Simply, I have typed one sentence. So that's all. Then close the bracket and enter. Then you will be getting like a welcome to Python programming. This is my input, correct? As you can see, this is my input and this will be the output. Okay, this is another platform. IDLE is another platform like a Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab, etc. Google, then PyCharm. Okay, there are different platforms are available. This is quite popular. Now I need to save that particular program. What I am supposed to do is I need to take that particular, go to the file, then I just wanted to rename it. So let me choose the location as desktop. I just wanted to give the name. So location I have chosen at a desktop, and file name I put one of the file name which I felt comfortable. Like that you can mention. Later you can go for save button. Okay, new. Then what you can do is So this is the way how to create the new file. How to create the new file means go to file, then click on the new file or Control N shortcut. Okay, then new file is created. Okay, so for the run, how to run this? You can go for F5. F5 you can go for. Shortcut is F5. Use the shortcut F5. Okay, shortcut is F5. Don't forget this. Directly you can run it. It is very easy. Okay, type the program and press F5. So that is another point you have to remember. There are different shortcuts. So we can have the rename also. Renaming facilities available. Okay, this is the way how to save. So My file, which I already said you, I already told you that I already saved a name called weak API. Is already saved. It's my comfortable name. So based upon that, you can put your name. Fine. Yes. So run mode, I explained already. Okay. This is a sample program. So these are the few examples. You can go through that. Okay. So I just wanted to type first name and last name of the particular name. So what I'm supposed to do is I just give the comment. This is called the commenting. So after hash, whatever you type in the program, that is not belong to that program. This is just for the understanding, just for the user-friendly approach, or to understand what exactly the program is, because program is having so many lines, thousands of lines. So you can use the hash. If I go for MATLAB, it is percentage. Okay, for the commenting, we are using percentage in MATLAB, wherein ideally we are using hash. Even Jupyter Notebook also hash only we are using. Hope you are aware about that. So let me call a variable name. Name is equal to input of enter your name. Okay, complete the first line. Then print your first name. First name is plus name. Okay. Then you have to type and save the program. Afterwards, if you run the program, you will be getting the answer like this. Correct? Please verify it. What your this first line is not mandatory, because hash why I put is to what exactly the program is, to give the awareness about the awareness to the reader. Fine, those who are reading the program, to for the user, for user awareness. Okay. Now after enter, they will ask like enter your name. I have typed my name. Later, yeah, result will be like this. Your name is okay. Fine. Print your first name and last name using ideally. You can use the programming. How to use the programming? These are the programming. Everybody please pay the attention. First, you can give the commenting line. The program is all about print your first and last name. So let me call a variable first name is equal to input of enter your first name. Last name is another variable input of enter your last name. So print your first name is then first name plus last name. So later I can directly go for F5. Save. If you want, you can save the program. Afterwards, you have to save and run. Correct? So once you run the program, I'll be getting the result in this fashion. Enter your first name. Program, it will automatically ask our name. Enter your first name. So please type your first name. Okay. Yeah. So like this, you can proceed. So after typing my first name, yeah, I have typed the first name and last name. So this is my entire name. Complete full name. First name will be there, last name also there. Fine. So I can able to type my name without any confusion. So in this session, I have briefly explained how to install IDLE and how to type the program, how to save and run the program accordingly. For running, we will be using the shortcut called F5. I hope the session is clear to everybody. I request everybody to practice at least one or two programs. So any platform we can use, IDLE is quite popular. That is why I have mentioned the installation procedure. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are watching this channel first time, please do share and subscribe. Have a happy learning. Thank you all.